Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering down your HP 14S-DQ laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. If you have a battery that can be removed, take it out for safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic pry tool to gently detach the back cover from the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the panel in place. With the back cover removed, locate the display connectors. You'll usually find them near the hinges of the screen. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling on the connector, making sure not to pull on the wires themselves. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any additional screws or clips that may be securing the connector. Now, focus on the screen itself. You'll need to remove screws from the bezel surrounding the display. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are out, gently pry the bezel off the screen using the plastic pry tool. Be cautious as you do this, as the bezel can be fragile. After removing the bezel, you'll see the screen is held in place with additional screws. Remove these screws carefully, and once they are out, you can lift the screen away from the laptop. Make sure to support it from the bottom to avoid putting stress on the connectors. At this point, you can set the new screen into place. Align the connectors and make sure they fit snugly. If you don't have the tools or experience to do this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and a quote before any repair. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. Once the new screen is connected, replace the screws that hold it in place. After securing the screen, snap the bezel back into place carefully and reattach any screws that were removed. Finally, replace the back cover of the laptop and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before powering on your HP 14S-DQ laptop, double-check that everything is connected properly and all screws are in place. Once you're sure everything looks good, power on the device and test the new screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With our services, you can have peace of mind knowing that you have professional help available without any obligation. Remember, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.